wireless controller UTYLNHY. Function 49. Turn unit off by the remote. Press fan, temperature up, then reset. Let go of reset, let go of temperature up and fan. A will be displayed. Press mode 00. Press temperature down, we'll say 09. Press mode. Press temperature up to 4. So it says 49. Press fan. 00 is to enable the fan to run in cooling when it's at temperature. 01 is to disable the fan when it's at temperature in cooling. Push timer mode. Press start stop. Press reset on the controller to get back to normal mode. Power off from condenser, leave powered off for a minute, power back on, and the function setting will be set.